All right, so today we're going to get logged into Password Safe, and I'm going to show how we can use Password Safe to access a Cisco device using a locally managed Cisco system. Now, could we use a domain credential to access a Cisco device? Yes. We would have to have like TACX or something like that. So we get in and we start an SSH session to the Cisco router using that HBAR account. And what's happening here is Password Safe is taking advantage of the resource broker to start a session, using port 22 against that network device. And we're passing in the credentials of that HBAR account, and then they're never shown to the end user. So initially opened up PowerShell, and PowerShell ultimately launched PuTTY here. And as you can tell, we are logged into the Cisco device, and we just ran a command to show that the version of the switch, the router, and just really to prove that, yeah, in fact, this is not like a Linux device with a skin. All right, and if we go behind the covers, what I'm showing you here is from an admin perspective of Password Safe. I can see how what we call our custom platforms are communicating with those different Cisco devices, whether they're a switch, a router, or a firewall or something like that. We have a number of different network devices that we work with. This video is really specific to Cisco, but truthfully, we work with Aruba as well as Palo Alto and Fortinet as well. So from a Cisco perspective, the kind of the two big ones that we have are the Cisco and then the Cisco Secret. And really, that just depends on the type of credential that we're using and injecting. In either case, our preferred methodology for communicating with the device is going to be over SSH. Can we still support Telnet? Yes, but by virtue of what Telnet is not a secure method to access devices. And our change password workflow is essentially it's an expect script. So we'll have an account that we call it a functional account that has the appropriate rights to change the password of an account on that machine. And what we'll do after first getting logged in is we're going to expect to see a prompt. And then we're going to put in a command here to show the version. And then based off of that version, we're going to apply different statement groups to where we'll go into the config table and then update the user's password that we're managing inside of Password Safe. If all goes well, we exit successfully, and if not, there's error handling to kind of handle that.